Okay, solving triangles with the calculator. So first off, I'm going to do problem 46 up here. You got to be careful not to write on my paper. And what I might do is always this. This is Libby's on the label. You will like it on the table. Have to label. If this is my angle, this would be adjacent, this would be opposite, and this would be hypotenuse. It's asking me to find the opposite, and they gave me the adjacent. So what trig function uses opposite over adjacent? Oh, like that. It's tangent. So what I know is the tangent of 35 degrees equals y over 8. Well, then to get the y by itself, I'm simply going to take 8 times the tangent of 35 degrees. And so let's go right over here to our calculator. Take me a second to walk back over there. And let's turn our calculator on. First thing you always want to make sure of is that your mode is in degrees. I have worked the problem earlier, but it is. But you always want to check that because you don't want to get it wrong. And basically, I'm just going to take 8 times tangent, 35 like that, close, enter, and the answer is 5.601. Because how many decimal places they want to go, I think just 2 is probably okay here. So this particular answer will be 5.60. So now let's go to this triangle right here. And once again, we want to label. Adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse. They gave me the opposite, and I need to find the hypotenuse. So what trig function uses opposite over hypotenuse? And I can write hypotenuse over opposite, but there's no cosecant button on the calculator, so I like to do it this way. Because this is sine. So the sine of 50 degrees will equal 27 over r. Now technically what you have to do on this problem is the following. I can't solve with the variable denominator, so I've technically multiplied side by r. Alright? And then I got to divide each side by the sine of 50 degrees, which basically means these two just end up switching places. That what you have is this. R equals 27 divided by the sine of 50 degrees. So I'm going to go over here to my calculator, and that's what I'm going to type in. I'm going to type in 27 divided by, so let's go right here. I already know I'm in the correct mode, 27 divided by the sine of 50 degrees. Enter, and I get 35 point, it's going to round 2 places. The 4 would actually round up to a 5, so let's get your answer would be 35.24. And that's how I actually would find sine, the value of the triangle right there.